It's so beautiful here. It's a white. It's a light.
See those bushes? See all this island when no one is here used to be
What was
all
that?
jungle.
Look at the beautifulness.
That backyard. Look.
It's actually sad around here, but different. But where we are is beautiful. So this is where I stayed. It's hard. It's like a little passage. Hey!
Move! Move! See, jungle!
Here it is. Home sweet home.
Hey, I'm going up. Up. And up.
He's outside.
I need to go tell him I need his underwear.
So beautiful.
It's ready.
Hello.
You ready to go?
You don't know what. Look. We have a TV. We have a TV. Two TVs. Two TVs. I'm going into the secret door. And I'm going up the stairs. I'm going up the stairs. I see Austin. Please don't hurt me.
What are you doing?
Taking a video around the place. So beautiful. Oh, these are so pretty. What are they doing? Whoa, it's so cool here. Maybe it's cooler at night. Whoa, plants. You don't want to fall down there. Oh. Why is there a coconut tree? I'm gonna go look for a coconut tree. Oh, there's coconut trees all around. See all those? Over there? Those are like coconut trees around here. Banana trees everywhere. Sometimes it looks like banana trees. Banana tree over here. Right here. And, looks like a beautiful tree. That's a coconut tree right there. Can't see it from right here. I don't know what those things are. Ooh, sharp plant. It looks sharp. It looks like it's not sharp, but it's actually it is. So it's like a secret passcode. And Haynes running right at me. And we have a pool. Please don't hurt me.
We have a little iron.
Ooh, what does this go to? Ooh, secret. This looks so beautiful.
Not a secret.
Do. Ooh, door. Ooh, steps. It's hard to see with the sun in my eyes. Ugh. So, this is what Hawaii looks like. But trust me. Trust me, this is Hawaii. Or Maui, whoever it is. But the island Maui is so cool. Look at this paint. It's so real. They have different stuff here that we don't know of. I think it's called Caps Walk.
Maybe it's dead.
There we go. Ooh, look.
Why'd you bring your tablet?
Oh, this
I want to take a video and take some pictures. No, I want to take pictures.
Take that off.
Hold on.
alien mask. Alien mask.
Hello. That's mine. Ow. Austin, your shirt is on backwards.
Look what he did. He did like this.
Buckle up like a maniac. Ooh, look, a maniac. Dude, you're crazy.